Welcome to Terra Naturals. Homemade neem powder is a natural product made from the dried leaves of the neem tree. Today in this video, let us explore the making of neem face packs, hair masks and neem powder. Homemade neem powder is an eco-friendly, versatile product. Neem powder is natural and useful for skin care, hair care, health care and gardening. Take quarter spoon of neem powder, mix it with hot water and let it cool for some time. Consume this juice on an empty stomach. Consuming neem juice may show properties against diseases like diabetes, liver problem, microbial infections. Neem face packs works excellent on all skin types. Neem and turmeric face pack for dry skin. Neem and turmeric have antibacterial and antifungal properties which remove skin dryness. Boil neem leaves or powder and make a paste. For 1 tablespoon of neem paste, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix all together. Apply and leave for 15 minutes. Give a try for once in a week and see the results. Neem and lemon face pack for oily skin. A lemon has astringent properties which help to reduce excess oil from the skin. 2 teaspoons of neem powder, add 2 teaspoons of rose water, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix all together and make a paste. Apply on face and scrub for 5 to 10 minutes and leave it to dry. After 20 to 30 minutes, wash it off with cold water. Give a try for oily skin and see the results. Neem yogurt and gram flour face pack for clean and soft skin. Gram flour helps to remove skin's dead cells and cleans the pores. Besides, yogurt softens the skin. For 1 tablespoon of neem powder, add 1 tablespoon of gram flour and 1 teaspoon of curd. Mix all together and apply on face. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash with cold water. Give a try once in a week for clear and soft skin. Neem and papaya face mask for glowing skin. Papaya reduces dark spots and blemishes. It helps to brighten the skin. Take some neem powder and add some mashed papaya pulp to it. Apply all over the face and keep for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it off. Once give a try for brighter skin and see the results. Neem and tomato face pack for hydrated and refreshed skin. Take some neem powder and add some tomato juice. Mix well and apply this on the face. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off. It clears pimples and makes the skin hydrated and refreshed. Once give a try for hydrated and refreshed skin and see the results. Neem and honey face pack for oily and acne prone skin. Honey tones and refreshes the dull and tired looking skin. Take some neem powder, add some honey to it and make it as a paste. Apply it and dry for 20 minutes, wash it off. Give a try for tired skin and see the results. Neem, multani mitti and coconut water face pack for acne prone skin. 1 tablespoon of neem powder, add 1 tablespoon of multani mitti along with some coconut water and make a paste. Apply on the face and leave for 20 minutes and rinse it off. Give a try for dull and acne prone skin. Neem and sandalwood face pack for irritated and sensitive skin. This pack reduces bacterial infection also. For 1 tablespoon of neem powder, add 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder along with rose water and mix it. Apply and leave it for 20 minutes and rinse it off. Once give a try for irritated and sensitive skin. Try the mentioned neem mixed face packs and get good glowing skin. Neem powder hair mask. Take 2 tablespoons of neem powder, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt or coconut milk, add few drops of essential oil, mix all together, apply the mask, massage gently and leave for an hour. Use mild shampoo and rinse it off. Use this mask once in a week and see the results. Making of neem powder. Let's get started. Collect fresh neem leaves and wash thoroughly. Sun dry the neem leaves for at least 3 to 4 days. Sun dry the leaves up to crispy consistency like this. Once you got the crispy consistency, grind the neem leaves in a mixer jar and make it as a powder like this. Transfer the powder in an airtight container and store it. The neem powder is ready to use. On making such a easy and simple recipe, you can get lot of benefits. Thanks for watching.